Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am so happy to be here today and so happy that you guys have been checking out these videos and following along, and hopefully you will play along too as well, or even be inspired to use some of these prompts. Even if you don't use them on ICAD, you can use them on ATCs or just in any kind of your art journals and things like that. So we're doing an index card a day for 30 days, and each day we pick a prompt and we have to do something on an index card, some form of art, whatever kind we want, but it has to also include that prompt. And so I'm using 4x6. There's a couple ladies who are using 3x5s, but I have a whole jar full of prompts, and we just pick them. And yeah, so coronavirus is what the prompt was. I put some crazy ones in there, so I had to update it with some of the current things that are going on in the world. But for that one, I printed out an image of the coronavirus, and I'm just going to cut that out. Real simple quick card that I'm going to make today. And it will be real simple. So with the index card today, ICAD, that's what it stands for, you are just to create some form of art. You just make what you like to make on that index card. You don't have to have prompts. We've chosen to use prompts to make it a little bit more challenging for us and to make sure everybody's, making something on the same plane. So we all have the same word, but we all use our different styles, and most of us change it by styles. We do something different each time, just depending on the prompt. But you can keep the same style, different style, whatever you want. Paint, draw, sketch, doodle, collage, whatever. You just could do so many different things on it, so you're not limited. That's the fun thing about this challenge. And this was one of my friends is like, she's not doing coronavirus. And I'm like, it is a different one to do. So the only thing I did was put my spin on it. Please don't mess up, because then I'm going to have to cut another one. Looks like I cut it off some or something. Slightly off track. Let's see if I can get it without it. Yeah, come on. I may have to print out another one. Hopefully not. When you're on the camera, that's why I do live videos, because when you're on camera, any and everything goes wrong. It's only when you're up here. If I wasn't up here, this would fit perfectly. Always, always, always. So it's slightly off. I am just going to use my pair of scissors like anybody else and just snip it straight. So either the index card is off or I'm off. But we can fix that real quick. Just cut it and just color around the edges. Alright. So that is the crux of it. And that ugly virus that is causing havoc. And then where's the rest of my paper? So I have a quote, which is a scripture that I am going to include on my paper. And then after I do that, this one will be done. Very simple and to the point, to the fact. Nothing too complicated. So hopefully if you want to play along, it is hashtag ICAD 757 challenge. I said it wrong. It is hashtag 757 ICAD challenge. My bad. It's in the description box. And if you want the prompt list, you can always contact me, email me, and I'll send it to you. But I would love to see your work. See what you do. I love to see. It's just, I love the creativity. That's one of the things I love about the group. We all have the same challenge, and we all see it differently. And that's what's so cool about it. And I am just going to glue this down. Exodus 15:26. For I am the Lord that healeth thee. So that is what I chose to put. Because when I think about this and any other disease, it's scary, I know. But whatever happens, we all have to die. That is a part of life, is death. Because of sin, we all die. So I think the thing is to make peace with that. You have to make peace with that first and foremost. And second of all, everything is not within your control. You have to make peace with that too, which is hard sometimes, I know. But one of the things I saw this wonderful TikTok, and the girl was doing a meme. She was lip syncing what this pastor said, and he said, if he keeps me from getting it, he protected me. If he allows me to get it, I'm paraphrasing because it said it much better, but if he allows me to get it, he'll be with me. And if I die from it, I'll be with him. So that's the way I see it. And that's the way I can deal with things. Is that either way, ultimately you win. Even though it may look like you're losing. Because I will be in the presence of God. That does not say that you won't have pain. And you won't hurt. But that brings me peace and comfort. Alrighty, and then I am just going to edge this up, mark around the edges, and I'll come. Alright, so I just basically inked around the edges with my vintage photo, covered up some of that white with the vintage photo just to tone it down some. And that is my final one. Again, the prompt was coronavirus, and it says, for I am the Lord that healeth thee, Exodus 15:26. And if you would like to play along with our prompts, making your ICADs, either 4x6 or 3x5, you can do hashtag 757 ICAD challenge. And if not, I still appreciate your time and effort for watching, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.